Around $1 million a month. When after I'm done, this house would be like $10, $15 million. Bring out the cars right now. I'll bring out the Lambo, you bring out the Rolls. Yeah, let's do it.
To see the other house?
Yeah, let's do it.
Bro, count me in.
Ooh, baby girl, know I got the...
What up, guys? My name is SnewJ. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna meet up with Mario. Some of you guys remember him from way back in that video. Dude with the Aventador. Well, this guy, he makes millions and millions and millions of dollars. He got a fat crib. I'm talking like he's building a resort. So I'm curious, I wanna get down and gritty. I wanna pick this guy's brain. I wanna know how he makes so much money and how he helps other people make money. So we're gonna get a house tour, we're gonna get a mansion tour, we're gonna get a resort tour, and he's gonna drop game. So get ready for an exciting video because I'm excited.
Tell me I'm someone you want. You tell me I'm something you need. But baby, you know that I'm bad for you, yeah. Why you gotta be so naive? If I treat you like when I don't want, then you know I'm just...
All right, guys, boys and girls, men and women, this is gonna be a good one. We're here to meet the man, the legend. Bruh, is that the house or is this the house? This might be the guest house, I don't know, but bro, what is going on here? This guy's building a resort. You got the basketball court and everything. Let's go see what's going on, come on.
Hey, what's up, my boy? Come on in. How you doing, man?
Good to see you, man.
How's everything?
Everything's cool.
Yeah.
Obviously, we met before. I know your name is Mario, but for the people that don't know you, what's your name? Introduce yourself, what do you do?
My name's Mario Arrizon. I help people get into business in the financial sector. So anything in financial services, I teach them if they have experience or they're brand new, like step by step, what they got to do to become successful. But we'll talk about that later.
Yeah, no, for sure. And I see the drip, bro. Let's talk about the drip real quick.
Dang.
You got the Versace on?
Yes, got Versace, some Louis on.
Ooh.
I got this for Father's Day, a beautiful Rollie to match the rings and stuff. I went from living in a van to living in a freaking mansion, and this is actually my guest house.
I was in the front, I was like, which one is this house? Like, and I see you're building a resort
yeah,
out there?
yes, we're building a resort, so it's crazy. I remember being like so darn broke. This is a tip for everybody, man. Go to the neighborhood you want to live in. Yeah. Get inspired again. Remember why you started again. I remember driving through this neighborhood just like, man, one day I'm gonna live in this neighborhood, and we got the biggest house here, dude. It's just crazy.
Manifested that.
Yes, but I work my butt off. It's not just manifest and like it's gonna happen. Like
execute.
What you gotta execute. You gotta know what you want and get after it.
Yeah, 100%. Well, shoot, let's get into the tour, bro, because I'm curious. Like, I see you building some stuff out here. You said you're building a resort.
Yes, even the guest house, it's automated. The whole thing is a smart house. Like the fireplace, I can just ask Alexa, like, Alexa, turn on fireplace. That thing turns on, Look at that.
What?
The most exciting part about it, that it's this project I have over here. It's over a $2 million project just in my front yard.
Yeah.
It's an amazing resort, and you're gonna see why. Want to check it out?
Yeah, I want to check it out.
Let's do it. So I have a basketball court here that we're refacing the court. It's gonna be awesome. But the big house, it's taken a while, but it's gonna be a masterpiece by the time it's done.
How much does this cost?
It was like $200,000.
$200,000.
Yeah, just to remodel.
If I came up to you right now, I was like, hey, I want to buy this guest house. How much would you sell it to me for?
Shoot, I wouldn't, bro. It's priceless.
Oh, man.
This property was built 30 years ago. He dropped $3 million. Look at this thing. It's gonna have waterfalls everywhere.
I see that.
This is brand new. Last time we were hanging out for a bit, this wasn't even here.
Yeah, this wasn't here. I could only imagine how that's gonna look. It's gonna look crazy.
It's gonna be crazy.
Wow.
I can't wait until you come back when it's completed.
We gotta come back, guys, because look at this. I don't know what's going on here. Bro, are you gonna have like an actual hotel being built here?
Out here, it's a big old indoor kitchen with entertainment. So if I bring anyone out to like perform, they're gonna be able to have a stage here.
Okay, so that's the stage.
This is not just any regular pool. It's gonna be a wave pool. So it's gonna be like the ocean. I'll have sand down here.
So you're gonna have a lazy river, a wave pool. Can I ask you a personal question?
Yeah.
How much money do you make per month?
Around $1 million a month.
$1 million a month.
Yeah.
Bro, and this is why you got all of this.
Yes, and by the way, I'm not all flash, no cash. I live in an apartment having millions of dollars already invested, an apartment room. I live under my means because a lot of people, they get a little bit of cash and they spend it. I pay this with the interest of my money.
Yeah. Smart.
That's how you do it. And I can get into that too.
Yeah, we'll get into that after. This guy, I want to pick his brain, guys. We got to get into it.
We'll bring out the cars right now. I'll bring out the Lambo, you bring out the Rolls.
For real?
Yeah, let's do it.
To see the other house?
Yeah, let's do it.
Bro, count me in. Dang,
How was it, bro?
It's a big body, I'll tell you that. But, you know, I gotta take it on the street.
Hey, look at this. Whenever it's raining or it's too sunny,
Uh-huh.
you just press this button right here.
Okay.
Bam!
Oh my
Umbrella.
goodness.
Just be rolling
$1
like.
million a month, this is what it gets you.
Bro.
How much does this car go for?
Right now, I think they're going like for like 350, 400,000.
That's a house.
It's crazy. We're being bougie right now with the sun. Like, all right, let's go.
Hey, you gotta protect your skin, man.
All right, let's bring out the rolls.
Yeah.
Let's do,
the
the
Lambo, yeah? You want me to bring it out?
Oh, look at that. Good morning. Bro, I have no idea. I bought it this way. So the guy that I bought it for, he put $80,000 in extra parts when I got it. So trip out on this. As soon as I bought it, he had, bro, I'll buy it back.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
He even offered like 50 grand on top of what I bought it for. So he was fired up.
Yeah, the setup, because like you could tell he lowered it.
Yeah.
I mean, the 4G autos on it.
Yeah, he hooked it up.
The carbon fiber.
Everything. It's awesome.
How much does this go for?
This one, dude, Lamborghinis are going for like 750 right now. The Aventadors, they're up there.
Inspired. Everyone's inspired right now watching, huh?
So the coolest part is my wife and I used to drive through this neighborhood. We used to see this house with a blue roof. One of the greatest guys you'll ever meet. His name is Ali. He actually owned 159 Little Caesars in all of California. Like if you ate at Little Caesar in California, you ate in one of his spots.
Yeah, yeah.
He's like the franchise king, and he built this. He calls it his pizza money. That's exactly what it is. You're gonna feel a little Scarface in here. That was the era. That's what's happening. So he dropped a lot of money into. You're gonna see like the Italian marble floors here as soon as you walk in.
Let's see, how much does this house cost right here?
Dude, this right here by itself, to rebuild this, just to rebuild the house alone, not the property, will be at least over $3 million. $3
million.
When after I'm done, this house would be like $10, $15 million.
So 10, 15 million.
For the property and everything. For everything. Yeah,
so
everything.
15 mil for everything.
Everything.
Wow.
Yeah, it's almost sitting on almost 4 acres, and it's amazing. In this area to have that is bananas. In Southern California, shoot.
Whoa.
Let's take a drive. 12:22, yeah, I'm out.
So it's empty right now because we're remodeling everything.
Okay. No,
this is my house. We're remodeling everything. Here's all the plans on this side, the structural stuff of what we're doing. We're actually extending the house a little bit bigger because it's not big enough for 4 of us, you know? No, I'm just kidding. Building a life-size theater. We have a big family, not just my blood family, but my family. Our team is not like family. They are a family.
No, yeah.
So they come over, we have a blast, we sell them the dream. I remember someone doing that for me, and it did everything. I remember walking into a house, not like this, but it was awesome.
Yeah,
and I'm like, dude, one day I'm gonna have a house like this.
And here you are.
Dude.
Living the dream, bro.
You know?
What square footage is this
Right
house?
now, it's sitting at around 11,000.
11,000.
But it'll be around 14,000 by the time we're done. Just the main house. This is my office here. And he actually left me this. He signed multi-million-dollar deals here. A lot of players, like basketball players, like Kevin Garnett's been here.
No way.
Yeah, they play basketball on our full-time. Yeah, they're really good friends. Yeah. And he has them dunking and all that stuff out there.
Invite him over right now.
I know, that would be awesome. I don't know him like that. I know the owner of it. Yeah, he's super cool. But man, I'm a big Kobe fan, man. Like big Kobe fan.
Bro.
Look at this right here.
Me too, bro.
Yeah? Absolutely.
Bro,
Why don't you go to my office? That's where you need to see like that. You're gonna be impressed. I've dropped $3 million into that thing. It's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Let me show you this way. If you go this way here, by the time you come back, you're gonna see that it's gonna be a wine cellar. So that's where the permits.
Under here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And right here, you're gonna see there's an elevator that's gonna go up. So it's gonna be underground, first floor, second floor, and then the terrace up there.
Okay.
Because it has the craziest view. And when we look up here, next time it won't be empty like this. You'll see an aquarium here.
Really?
I'm building an aquarium where you can walk through and have like crazy fishes there.
An aquarium?
I always wanted that. I don't know why, bro. I wanted a fish tank. I'm like, you know what? Let's go big. You know, so I'm gonna have an aquarium.
Guys, hold on. Sorry to cut you off. Guys, look, we gotta come back. When your house is done, I wanna see all of this, bro, because that's gonna be like,
dude,
it's gonna be inspiring. So you got a little waterfall action right here?
Yeah, he has it's awesome, man.
That's a vibe, bro.
Waterfalls everywhere.
I'll be meditating here every day.
Right? This is the pool area here. We're extending the house this way. For this big of a house, the kitchen didn't fit, so we're extending it this way.
Okay.
Want to put a large kitchen. Man, this pool's really cool at night. Lights up, fire, everything. Really cool. The vibe is amazing. Watching the view here at night is just spectacular, man.
Bro, a lazy river isn't enough?
It wasn't enough, right?
Not enough?
Yes.
What?
Yeah, so this is our private pool. The other one's gonna be more for like entertainment, everybody
No, I feel
out there.
that. You literally got like 10 backyards
It's-
in your house.
Crazy, bro. I just wanted one backyard, you know? Stairplace. The way they did this is like the Titanic kind of deal. Remember like the staircase like that? So going up, I'm gonna show you something, what got my attention. So this is where the elevator is gonna be. Boom. It's already planned out. And then look at this thing.
You got a sneaky staircase here too.
Look at this, man. When I seen this, I was like, what? I'm like, this is the house.
Bro.
I gotta get it. It's relaxing. You just
Just a stare
hear
at
the
it.
water, watch. So we're remodeling all this. All this is gonna be glass.
Yeah.
To go with the vibe.
That's
It's gonna be
gonna look
awesome.
crazy.
Every room has its own walk-in closet, own restroom. Every room here. So there's 8 rooms.
Okay.
They're all little mini masters. So I already gutted them, each one of them, and we're gonna reface it. It's gonna be awesome. But the views, man, that's what is amazing. This used to be the theater room here, but we're gonna make it slash like the gym. We're extending the house to the left, and it has amazing views. So this is gonna be like the gym slash spa. And look at these views, man. It's just, wow.
Oh my goodness.
It's just beautiful.
This is amazing. Bro, I'm just soaking it in, you know? I'm just trying to breathe the same air that you breathe right now.
Honestly, I used to think like, man, you have to get lucky. Like, no, you gotta have a little bit of luck in there. You know what it's about? It's about hanging around the right people, man. That when you're slacking off, like, hey bro, what are you doing? Get back on track.
Holding each other accountable.
Super important. And whatever you want to do, like, let me give you an example. Like, we go to a restaurant and I want to be like, I want to order all this bad stuff, but you order first.
Yeah.
And you're like, man, I'll get a salad, I'll get some water, you know what I'm gonna be like? You know what, bro? I'll get a salad too and I'll get a water because you just influenced me. And peer pressure is real. It really is. My peer just pressured me to do better, to eat better. And then like, hey, what are you doing tomorrow? Let's hit the gym. I'm like, all right, cool.
Yeah.
Because I want to be around your circle.
Lead by
right?
example. Yeah.
Exactly. Well, same thing here. Most people, they say they want it, but they take weekends off.
Yeah.
My mom's birthday was yesterday, and that's awesome. But they used to say, even on her birthday, like, Mario, what type of son are you? It's Mother's Day. You're working on Mother's Day?
Yeah.
You know what I told them?
What do you tell them?
That's why I'm working so hard. So every day can be my mom's Mother's Day.
Yeah.
Who says once a year?
What?
Who says once a year I can celebrate my mom's day?
Yeah.
That's an employee mindset. I'm just being real, and I'm not trying to offend anybody like, oh, well, what about dude, we need great employees, don't get me wrong. Yeah. But if you want to have this type of lifestyle, it can't be working for somebody else. Little by little, you got to start dreaming and got to hang around other entrepreneurs.
That's true.
It's very important.
You hear that, guys? He knows what he's talking about, bro. Look at this. This is crazy.
Here's the master. We're also extending it this way also. So all this will be gone. It'll be all glass.
So no more balcony, huh?
Yes, we're actually extending the balcony close to the pool over here. Look at this. You see where those stakes are at? Like those pieces right there?
Yeah.
That's where the balcony is going to be at. So we're extending the room here. So we'll have an outdoor, indoor kitchen. Amazing balcony for us too. And
Wow.
amazing view. The house is beautiful.
Yeah.
But what got me was the view.
And you got a fireplace.
Yeah, you got a fireplace in there.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, hell no. This is crazy. You got a jacuzzi?
Yeah, bro. Jacuzzi, enjoying the view.
Ooh. And another balcony. All right, Mario, let's get down to business.
Let's do it.
I'm sure there's a lot of people that are curious on the steps on how you got to this level, right? Tell us a little bit about like your upbringing. Like, how did you get to this point? Where did you start from? You know, just give us a little insight.
My mom had me when she was 15 years of age. So she was a teenager. She was a kid having a kid. At first, everything was good. My mom and dad were together, but by the time I was 5, my little brother Johnny was a newborn. They got a divorce. And man, we struggled, dude. I went from living in a 2-story house, having my own room, my own toys, to literally living in a van with my mom. I remember feeling that like, man, where's my dad? And going to school, kids used to make fun of me that we had a little bit less than them. People can look at it that way and feel sorry for themselves, and I did. Or you can use that pain to push you to greatness.
True.
What happened is I reunited with my dad, and he brought me into this company of financial services. And I'm like, dude, it sounds amazing. And like any opportunity out there, there's a lot of people that join and they'll make it, and there's people that actually stick with it, like working out. How many people join the gym and give up?
Yeah, it's a discipline thing. What are some of the steps that you took to get to that level of like selling insurance? Like, what do you have to do personally to get at that point?
First step is every state's different. Some require schooling, some don't. In the state of California where I'm at, it was a 32-hour course. At the time, it was a 52-hour course. So I took my course, got my state license, and then I learned how to sell.
So state license and then learning how to sell. Okay.
And having leadership is super important, like what to say, how to say it, when to say it. That's extremely important. Every single book book on how to become successful in any business you want has already been written. There's just not enough readers. The secret is you gotta work your you gotta pay attention to the little things because they compound to be so darn big, and I didn't leave it to chance. I don't know how to change this light. YouTube.
Being resourceful.
Being resourceful. Yeah. People are like, oh, I don't have resources. BS, you're not resourceful enough.
Yeah, that's true.
It's how you look at things. It is so darn important. Every time I wanted to throw in the towel and quit, bro, I thought about them. What if my mom dies of a freaking heart attack, or my dad because of so much stress? When it got tough, when I got no's, I threw in the towel.
Yeah.
People forget their purpose, and they just gotta be like, damn, like he's going through that too, he went through that too. The same you is not gonna get it done. You gotta do some changes right now.
I'm sure a lot of you guys are getting inspired right now by hearing Mario's story. What was the turning point for you though? Like first commission or whatever it was, you know, you're like, man.
You would think it's something positive. It was actually something negative. I built a big team in my financial company. You know, 50 people were showing up, 50 agents. That's big. And I wasn't even a broker yet. I was about to get my promotion. I'm doing it big. I'm driving to San Diego, from Riverside to San Diego, like almost on a daily basis, sometimes twice a day.
Yeah.
I gave my whole heart to this team. And just like that, all 50 of them were gone the next day.
What?
Some guy told him, hey, this company's better, blah, 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 and took him to another company. I showed up to a meeting, bro, it was empty. I was paying the rent. I was so brokenhearted. And I remember getting in that car with my wife, and the whole way back, man, I was crying. And my wife's like, we got this bill coming up, we got this bill. And dude, I wish I can tell you as a positive message. Like, no, I said, they're gonna regret it. Every time I wanted to get negative, I'm like, dude, I'm not gonna prove them right. I was right.
Yeah.
This is the greatest company. I'm the greatest leader. That's where I figured out how bad I really wanted it.
Yeah.
You have no idea who you're gonna inspire when you don't give up. And I think, oh, he's just trying to inspire me. Hell yeah, I am. You're just trying to motivate me. Yes, I am. This dream again, to have goals and dreams again. Yes, I am.
It's good that you're reminding people about this, because a lot of people are discouraged, you know, like they give up and they're just like, oh, I don't know if this is it for me. But it's really a mindset. Like you got to tell yourself, like, I can do this. I am going to do this. You know, I appreciate you just telling people that and just reminding them, or the ones that don't even know, that just needs to hear it. So comes to my next question. You said when you had that point where the people didn't show up, right? That was the one that made you get to the next level.
Yep.
And then you became a broker, or?
Yeah. And our company is called the Regional Vice President.
Okay.
And it changed everything for me, man. My sister-in-law had a big part in our success. My little brother, Johnny, had a big part. A lot of our guys, I said, they call me coach because I'm a coach in their life. Yeah. Not just business, but in their life.
Yeah. How many people do you have in your team right now?
Now I have 136 brokers, over 5,000 agents.
That's dope, man. I know you mentioned this briefly, but I just got to touch on this subject again, is that Mario is helping other people like change their lives. Like they're making money, they're making a great living, and it's because of like the foundation you built. He doesn't get enough credit for helping other people, you know? And that's important to share. So everyone watching right now, like this guy's literally changing other people's lives, you know, like I just gotta put it out there. But I'll ask one more question, you know, I don't wanna take too much of your time. What is one thing, you know, you would leave to the inspired individual right now? Maybe like a money tip, what would that be?
That's a great question. For me, the biggest investment I ever did was in myself. Second was into my people. Any books, any seminars. For me, it wasn't a question. Like I was always there. Yeah. Other people would have a mindset, I can't afford to buy that. I said, I can't afford not to be there. I can't afford it. That's my mindset. I've invested into my thinking and having an attitude of gratitude. I'm so grateful I didn't get success right away because I would have been an arrogant punk.
Yeah.
Dude, I got humbled so bad that I know where my blessings come from. Yes, I'm great at business. Yes, I'm a great motivator. I'm a great coach, but I'm nothing without God. Nothing without my wife, nothing without my team. You take that away from me, I ain't nobody, dude. With God on my side, with my family on my side, with my mindset, I'm unstoppable. And so are you. But who are you hanging around with?
Man, Mario, it was great chatting with you. Thank you for all the wisdom, the advice, your come up story. How do people find you? What's your social media?
Yeah,
What's your IG?
Instagram, Mario Arrizon, Arrizon, last name. Dude, this is what I do. I love inspiring people, even in other fields. I have a lot of people from a lot of different fields that I mentor, I coach. I love it. They're like, what's your fee? Like if they show me they want it, honestly, I don't even charge them. You know what I ask them? Show me success. That's my fee.
So make sure you guys follow his social media, link in the description as well. Mario.
My pleasure, man.
Bro. That was great. You know, I'm inspired, and I hope you guys are inspired too.
You tell me I'm something you need, but baby, you know that I'm bad for you, yeah. Why you gotta be so naive? If I treat you like when I don't want, and you know I'm just so hard to please. I lie to your face to get what I want, babe. Somehow you keep calling to me. Why are you so naive? Yeah. Why are you so naive?